Tired of the endless droppings and damaged turf? It's a relentless cycle of repair and cleanup. Stop fighting a losing battle and get Avian Migrate Goose and Bird Repellent, the EPA-registered, science-backed turf treatment that takes back your grounds for good so you can get back to what you love most. Avian Migrate is applied directly where birds feed, creating a powerful, non-toxic irritant they can't stand, training them to avoid your lawn. Avian Migrate is the smarter service for pest control and landscaping professionals. A definitive answer to turf-destroying birds. It's a high-value service that transforms one of your customers' biggest frustrations into a win, using the spray equipment you already own. For grounds managers and municipalities, Avian Migrate is the key to reclaiming your public lands. Ensure parks, sports fields, and government grounds are safe, clean, and ready for public use. Pair Avian Migrate with InvisiDye UV Marker to create a visual cue that birds can't ignore. InvisiDye is a repellent-enhancing UV marker training tool that, when teamed with Avian Migrate, teaches geese and birds to avoid treated grass, plants, and landscaping. Avian Migrate is General Services Administration available and simple to get started. Reclaim your grounds with Avian Migrate. Call 888-707-4355 or visit aviancontrol.com/avianmigrate.